Hey, welcome to the channel, everybody. Today I want to talk about, let's see, all over the place. You're seeing videos. You're 40, 50, 60. Start YouTube now. All right. Why are people saying that? Okay, you know what? I guess because if you're 40, 50, 60, you got some life experiences. So it'll be easy for you to come up with some stories to talk about on YouTube. Right? Well, if you're a good talker, I'm not a very good talker. I'm in my 50s. You know, doing this YouTube thing is helping me with talking more. But does it make it easy for me? No. Is my channel, bam, blowing up? No. So, 40, 50, 60, start your channel now. Doesn't make it easy. But anyway, it really doesn't matter if you're 40, 50, 60. It doesn't matter what age you are, all right? If you got something you want to talk about, you got some subject you want to talk about, whatever, do it. Doesn't matter what age you are. Just do it. Okay? There's always somebody out there that will watch something that you put out. You wouldn't believe what people watch, Like I said, it doesn't matter what your age you are. If you got something to say, say it. If you got something to show it. It doesn't matter if you're 40, 50, 60, 20. All right? Millions and millions and millions of people watch YouTube, and YouTube will find somebody to watch your subject or whatever. Hell, I'm all over the place on this channel. There's people watching my stuff, and I'm not very good at YouTube. But I just wanted to say something about, all these channels, 40, 50, 60. Yeah, I guess you're going to have life experiences, but if, maybe. I live a boring life. I don't have, that many life experiences. I don't know. I don't know. I guess I do, but I'm not very talkative. But anyway, I just want to, I'm tired of just seeing all these 40, 50, 60. 40, 50, 60. Start a channel. Anyway. This is my little gripe for the day. Well, we'll see you in the next video. Hit that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up. And yeah, peace.